Mzansi fashion scenes. Let's see who stole the scenes, where and how. And on today's video we have the beautiful Nomuzi Mabena, and she was going to the WSB Cape Town Met, and she was wearing this dress from Unlocked by Dudu. I like the crochet, it's kind of different, it's kind of giving something new, and it was kind of a bubble skirt of which is trending, but I didn't like the boob part. I think it was big, I think it was bulky. I like the shoes with the dress, but the headpiece is kind of outdated. I didn't like the overall look. The shoes, the dress, fine. The headpiece, no. So tell me how you feel about the look down below, and I'll chat to you later. Bye.